you can see that. Hey everyone, I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm planning to give you guys a few questions and make you solve it, and I'm gonna tell you the answers also. So in each and every subject, nearly like let's do hereafter like 15 questions every day or alternate days. Okay, depends. I'll just post it, and you can find in community section. I'm gonna send you lots and lots of questions. I'm just gonna send you lots of questions there. So बहुत सारे questions I'll try to send for your boards. You're planning to prepare, and I think 2 months are left right now. I don't know, but in 10th, I mean 10th, आपके pre boards शुरू होंगे of course. You're like what to do, and you may not have enough questions also. So for all these things, I'm planning to give you the questions. Without wasting the time, let's start. So today I will be covering about the all important board questions in three main subjects: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And I will be covering like from random questions, all my random question papers which were super like confusing. Starting with mathematics. Let me not waste your time. Okay. So पहले question क्या था? Choose the correct answer of the question from the given option. So you can write down the question in your note and इसका answer find करने try करो. When 6x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2 is divided by x plus 2, then the remainder is. You might be getting some options. The answer would be minus 36. The 12th term of the AP is 5, 12, 19, 26 dash. I'll repeat the question. 5, 12, 19, 26. This is the AP dot or dot. Okay. You have to find the 12th term from this AP. The answer is 82. Okay. Now, let me not go into matrix question. Okay. Let me go. So the question says, in column wise 1, 2 and in row wise 3, 4, that is equal to P, and you should find the matrix P. Yeah, both are in multiplication. 1, 2 in column, 3, 4 in row wise, they are in multiplication. You should find the order of matrix P. Now the value of x is from the circle that I am showing here. Can you see it? I think you can't see it. This is the circle. Okay. Here the circle, as you have seen here, x is in one part, and the angle there, if it's not visible, that is 30 degree. Okay. Now you have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. The angle given there is 30 degree. What is the answer? 60 degree will be your answer. Next, the solution for the given equation is, they have given 4 less than or equal to 2x minus 2 less than 10. X belongs to whole numbers. You have to find the solution. 4 less than or equal to 2x minus 2 less than 10. X belongs to whole numbers. Write in form of a set. So you will get the answer 3, 4, 5. Now, volume of cylinder you have to find. If height is 8 cm, area of base ka area is 125 cm square. Find the volume of cylinder. 1000 centimeter cube will be your answer. If ratio of radius of two spheres is 3:7, they're given ratio of radius, that is 3:7, then ratio of their volume, uska volume ke ratio you have to find. The answer is 27 upon 343. 27 by 343. In a single throw of a die, probability of getting odd number is. Answer will be 1 by 2. If you did not hear the question properly, rewind the video and you see it. Subduplicate ratio of 36:25 is. Subduplicate ratio of 36:25. Just take the square root, you will get the answer. 6:5 is your answer. Nature of roots of equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0 is. You have to find the nature of root of the equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. No real value. Okay. Now, a man deposited rupees 1000 per month for 12 months and received rupees 15,000 as their maturity value. Now you have to calculate the interest earned by it. Interest earned by them. Use the formula, you'll get the answer. 3,000 is your answer. See, if you wrote the question and you're writing the answer, just stop my video, you write the answer, then check. Ratio in which line joining A 6,5, B 4, minus 3 is divided by the line y equal to 2. Again, I'll read the question. Ratio in which line joining A 6,5, B 4, minus 3 and that is divided by line y equal to 2. Line y equal to 2. इसका answer you can give in comment section. Okay. Now I have discussed one paper from mathematics. See, actually, okay. Now I'll get into chemistry. Okay, physics are good. Okay, let's start with physics. The unit of moment of force in SI system is. Unit of moment of force in SI system. Newton meter. A body is acted upon by two unequal and opposite forces along different lines of force. The body will have. A body, again I'll repeat. A body is acted upon by two unequal and opposite forces along different lines of force. The body will have only rotatory motion, only translatory motion, or both. It will have both, okay, because it will move also because there is unequal and opposite force. Then the center of gravity of a cricket ball is at its geometric center. The SI unit of power is watts. Express it in mass, length, and time. Kg meter square per second cube. A pendulum is swinging freely. The bob of pendulum has maximum kinetic energy at its mean position, okay, or you can tell minimum kinetic minimum potential energy at its mean position, and maximum PE or potential energy at its extreme position, and minimum kinetic energy in its extreme position. Okay. An aeroplane is flying at an altitude of 10,000 meters at a speed of 300 km per hour. The aeroplane at this height has only potential energy, only kinetic, or it has both? It will have both because see this is the aeroplane going like this. You can see that it is at a height. It means it will have the potential energy and it's moving like this. Hence it will have a kinetic energy because it's moving. Then which of the statement is not true for an actual machine? Mechanical advantage is less than velocity ratio. Efficiency is 100%. Mechanical advantage is greater than velocity ratio. This is for uh, which is not true for actual. MA is greater than velocity ratio. That's false, right? Because mechanical advantage is always lesser than velocity ratio. A single fixed pulley is used because why it is used? You can give any of the three. The best thing that you can tell is that it changes the direction of applied effort. Effort applied will be changed. A single movable pulley has velocity ratio will be 2 for that, and actual mechanical advantage will be less than 2. The phenomenon due to which a ray of light deviates from its path while traveling from one optical medium to another is called, you know this, refraction. The critical angle for glass is 42 degree. Corresponding angle of refraction is 90. A prism has 3 rectangular, 2 triangular surfaces. Okay, prism. Okay. A ray of light is incident on face of an equilateral prism at an angle 90 degree. Ray gets totally reflected on second refracting phase. The total deviation produced in the path of ray is 90 degree. Then during sunrise or sunset, the sun appears bigger because of the rays of light coming from it pass through larger depth of atmosphere. The highest refractive index is of diamond. So your teachers will tell it's cold air, but actually it's diamond. Okay. Now it's chemistry time. Not getting that. Okay. Among the elements given below, the element with least electronegativity is lithium, carbon, fluorine, boron, which has least electronegativity. Lithium. Ionization potential increases over a period because of give the reason for this. Okay, now you know that why atomic radius decreases, nuclear charge increases. A compound X consists of only molecules, hence X will have low melting and low boiling point. Why? Because it will be a कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. कोवलेंट बॉन्ड में ही होती है क्या? Oh my god, my face is appearing dark, lol. Okay. Because covalent bond में ही होते हैं molecules. The acid which contains 4 hydrogen atoms in it is. Give any acid example. Can give CH3COOH, best example acetic acid. The color change observed when the solution of magnesium hydroxide is tested with the following indicators. You will tell me the color change. Phenolphthalein remains colorless. Phenolphthalein turns colorless to pink. Methyl orange remains orange. Blue litmus turns red. Give that in comment section. Twice the vapor density is molecular mass. Gas liberated when sodium sulfite reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. I think it is hydrogen sulfide. एक बार चेक करके बताना मुझे. Okay. Gas liberated when sodium sulfite reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. I think it's sulfur dioxide. Yeah, sulfur dioxide. Okay. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड बिकॉज सल्फाइड जब यूज़ करेंगे तभी तो आएगा है ना हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. When an electron is added in valence shell, what happens to the energy change? Energy will be released. During ionization, metals lose electrons. This change can be called. Metals will lose electrons. Oxidation. The oxide of a metal that reacts both with acid and alkali to form water. Amphoteric in nature, which aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide will be amphoteric. The condition that is most appropriate for electroplating with nickel. Anode should be made of impure nickel plate. That is the most important condition. So very important condition that anode should be made of impure nickel plate. Okay. H2Y is a formula for compound. What is the valence exhibited by Y? 2H2Y. Okay. So we're done with a few questions from PCM. You have nearly now covered 15 questions in maths, 15 in chemistry, and 15 in physics. So I will try to bring out other questions every day. Okay, I'll try for my best. If I have time, I will try to get the questions. I'll try to get the questions from wherever, whatever the sources possible, because आपके लिए चाहिए ना इसीलिए. So every day you will be like covering about 15 questions, and in your board exams you will be having that capacity, or you'll have that strength to score full marks.
Bye. Bye-bye. See you guys. Study well. All the best. Don't get distracted with unwanted videos. Focus on your studies and you can do it.
All the best 10th and 12th for your boards. Prepare well. Bye-bye.